All right, boys, welcome to the first installment of our new parts series we're doing at UBD Parts. Today, we got this beautiful 2024 Kawasaki ZX6R. It's got 815 miles on it because I already put 2 miles on it. It had 813 at first. But y'all know the ZX6Rs, they come fully loaded. Right out the factory, they don't have a lot of settings or electronics in them. One button and turns pretty much every traction control, wheel control, everything off. There's no ABS on the bike as well. So these bikes out the factory are pretty raw. The only thing that sucks, everybody knows they come with a nasty stock exhaust, which nobody ever likes. So today, we're gonna take that off, slap on this beautiful M4 GP19 exhaust that is also supplied by ubdparts.com. But today, before we get into installation of the exhaust, I'm gonna go take this bike on a test ride, give you all the ins and outs of the bike, how it feels riding completely bone stock. I mean, he still has a tail tidy on there. So, and then slap this GP19 exhaust on there. And then see if it has a little pops and bangs after that. Because the M4 GP exhaust is pretty loud. A lot of Kawasaki owners go with the M4 because they're good exhaust, great quality, and they're pretty reliable. Nothing really bad ever happens with M4 exhaust, so you can't go wrong with them. Other than that, boys, let's take this puppy on the road. 813 miles, 2024 ZX6R. Fully bone stock, still has the tail tidy. Sounds like trash, so this M4 slip-on we're gonna put on there is gonna sound a lot better than this. Why is the quick shifter on a ZX6R way better than a ZX10? Y'all can hear there's no backfire at all with this stock exhaust. That's pretty normal. You're never gonna get some backfire on it. The bike feels good. Bone stock is not bad. But there's really nothing you can complain about with a ZX6R. It's a great overall bike. Bone stock though, I think you're getting a hell of a bike. But so, with this little M4 exhaust we're going to put on there for you guys. We're about to slap on there. It should open up the bike a little bit, let it breathe a little bit. And overall, it'll sound way better than what it does now. It's the fucking part I hate the most. Boys, if you did get a slip-on and you wanted your bike to shoot flames, I don't know if y'all can see, but that's the cat. See all that little stuffing in there? That's the cat. So you would have to drill that out, or you can just buy a full exhaust at ubdparts.com. Alrighty, boys, we went ahead and installed the M4, but yeah, about to do first startup, put everything back together and take it for a ride, bro. I'm excited. Took the baffle out too, because nobody likes the baffle in. I don't think anybody would ever leave it in. So yeah, other than that, let's hear this puppy. As y'all can see, the bike sounds phenomenal. I'm actually really excited to go take it down the street. It actually is giving little pops and bangs here too, so. Oh, they rev it in the back. It's actually giving a lot of pops and bangs too, so I'm excited to take this down the street. Sucks it doesn't have an auto flipper, but rev matching should sound pretty good too, so. Other than that, let's get some shots of the bike first, and let's take this thing on a spin. Yeah, so never mind. This bike sounds insane now, just with a little slip on, dude. Guys, if y'all are in the market for a nice budget friendly exhaust for your ZX6R, dude, the M4 GP is definitely the exhaust to go to. Jeez, that exhaust sounds amazing, and that's still with the cat on it. Yeah, I'm not even glazing it. It generally sounds really good. But yeah, budget friendly exhaust, probably the best budget friendly exhaust there is. M4 GP19, really nice. Pretty easy install. The only hard part was getting this bracket in with the rear sets. But other than that, it's been good. I generally like it. I like ZX6s. They're nice. All right, boys, y'all saw it there first. The bike sounds actually really good. This is definitely the best budget exhaust you can go with, in my opinion. It sounds good, looks good. Or still, you get a lot of pops and bangs still having the cat on it as well. So I'd imagine the full exhaust right here, you'll be shooting big old flames. But other than that, hope y'all enjoyed this 2024 Kawasaki ZX6R. It is for sale on the showroom floor. The link for this bike will be in the description. Or y'all can just DM me on Instagram and I can hook y'all up as well with that too. But other than that, boys, we really appreciate you boys. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And we will see y'all in the next one.